Hey there, what is up? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing totally awesome today. In this 3-minute guitar lesson, the shortest guitar lessons on YouTube, I'm going to show you how to play 5 different beautiful, amazing chords that are really easy to play. I'll give you a sample. That's one shape that lets you move up and down the fretboard. How about this one? How about a minor one? Super cool. So I'm going to show you how to do 5 chords. They're really beautiful and fun. Let's just get to it. So let's start with this one here, a C major. I'll start with the easiest one. It's a C major, and all you do is remove that finger. Pretty cool. And you can add the finger back on. So it's a C major with that open B string. You go to an F chord like that, makes it very beautiful. It's in a ton of songs. That's the easiest one. Let's go to the A chord I did at the very beginning. It goes like this. So you're basically playing an A major. You're hitting the open A string and the open E string. You're not really hitting that note right there. And you've got this finger, it's on the 7th fret of the D string, and this finger on the 6th fret of the G string, and that's it. So those are the only ones you're hitting, and you're hitting pretty cool, huh? So you're hitting those 5 strings, not that one down there, and if you slide down 2 frets, back down 2 more frets, and back up, you're back to A. So you went from A to G to F, super cool. All right, let's do the next one really fast. This one's really neat. It's a version of D. You play that C chord, whole C chord, regular one, but you slide it up 2 frets. Listen to that. It's a D major, but it's sort of a cool version of it. And this one's popular on that song Wonderwall. Maybe you heard it. It goes like this. And all over there winding. I'll come back to that one in a second. But you basically play a C major and go up 2 frets, and you end up back there. Now, speaking of this one, this is E minor. So play an E minor, but put the pinky right here on the 4th fret of the D string, like that. And you really only need that one right there. So 2nd fret of the A string, 4th fret of that D string, and then strum all of them. Beautiful chord. Sweet one. All right, and then the last one right here is a little bit harder to play. It's an F sharp minor, but you don't play those notes right there. These are all open. Ready? Like that. So you're basically playing the 2nd fret of the E, the 4th fret of the A, and the D strings. And if you can do it like this. Oh, I'm sorry, you do put this finger right here on the 2nd fret of the G string. So like this. And this is in Melissa by the Allman Brothers. You start off with an E major, and then you go to that F sharp minor. So it's like a full F sharp minor, but those 2 right there are ringing out, and you go up 2 more frets and back down 2 frets to that chord, and you can end up on the E major. All right, that was crazy fast. 5 amazing, beautiful chords. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you around for some more super fast lessons. See ya.